Welcome to Hadley's Kitchen. Unfortunately, this week the audio did not work on this video due to me not using the headset like I'm supposed to. But we are making a cornbread waffle, and in just a moment you'll see the ingredients pop up on the screen. You're going to need 1 box of Jiffy Cornbread mix, 3/4 cup of milk, I use whole milk, 1 egg, a splash of vanilla, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/3 cup vegetable oil. You're going to mix that all together with a whisk in a large bowl, which unfortunately you cannot see because the sun was also super bright that morning. Oh, and I'm sorry, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget that. You're going to put this into your waffle iron on a medium heat for about 3 minutes, and you are good to go. These waffles are crispy, crunchy, and there is a review at the end. Okay, this is our second waffle. Added a 1/4 cup of milk to the batter and just a few more tablespoons of vegetable oil. I've got butter on this waffle. I'm also going to put something a little extra special. I have a lovely marionberry jam, courtesy of one of my co-workers, and her Instagram is called Emerald Hippie, and there will be a link to that down below. This is her marionberry jam, which she uses marionberries from her own family. It's absolutely delicious. Let's get in here. Let's see. Oh, it's crispy. Oh my god. That is so good. The milk really made a difference. Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure. Absolute. Oh my god, it's so good. So yeah, thanks for watching Hadley's Kitchen. Have a great day.